Did y'all know Dollar Tree have fried pickles? Well, they don't. But let me show you how to make them. Hey, we back. This has been a long time coming. I know y'all missed my voice. But really, we're going to start with preparing this oil. We got the pickles from the refrigerator section. You can also get the jars. You can get a lot more for less. Plus, they're a little bit smaller if you get them in the jar. And they'll just be $1.25. But I line them up. I press them out to get all the little juices out. And I put the milk carton on top to help press and get all the excess liquid because we don't want too much liquid in our little fry mix or whatever. So we're making the ranch. I took some of that pickle juice, put the ranch seasoning packet in there, and then I put some to season it or flavor it for the flour. So we're going to do our little buttermilk. We did milk and mayo, and we're going to really make it according to the package instructions. I wanted a spicy ranch, so I added some of that hot sauce that I bought a couple months ago. Still in there because I don't really be using hot sauce like that. So we make that first. Put it in the fridge because you want it to get set and stuff like that. You should probably use a whisk to whisk it together so it won't be clumpy like mine. At the end of the day, it was still real good. So yeah, make your stuff. You can season it as you want to. I wound up actually making basically Chick-fil-A sauce, but you'll see that at the end. So you know, Dollar Tree ain't got no eggs. So for our wet batter or the wet part, we're gonna do milk, hot sauce. No, it's just milk and hot sauce, and that's it. So I took some breadcrumbs. Dollar Tree has breadcrumbs, and I took some of that flour, seasoned it up. We still got the ranch, salt, maybe salt, but we got black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and cornstarch to give it a little crunchy crunch because, yeah, we want crunchy, crispy fried pickles. So yeah, we're gonna do the dry, wet. Yeah, dry, wet, dry. So first our flour, then our little milk mixture, and we're gonna put it in the breadcrumbs. And I did a little test one just so I can see like if the oil is ready or not. So yeah, it's real simple. It's basically, no, it's not what we did for the fried Oreos, but you can use this method for anything. It's the method I used also for my chicken parm that should be coming out soon. Yeah. So we're just gonna fry it up until it's golden brown delicious. Real pretty, real tasty, real good. It's real simple. And honestly, y'all, if you got an air fryer, you can put it in the air fryer too, and you ain't gotta use the extra oil. Just like maybe get some spray oil or something, like spray cooking oil, put that on top, put it in a air fryer until that's golden and crispy. But yeah, that's really it. And really, it took no time. So if you could do multiple pickles and dredge them at once, because it was almost like when I was done like dredging one, they was done. See, real gold. Once they float, they pretty much done. Look at that, y'all. I just really wanted y'all to stop it and see how pretty they look. Also realizing that I use the cornstarch as a thickener, like the eggs are the binder. I use it as a thickener as well. So I use it for the crunchy parts, but also as a binder. Mix your ranch up good. It's gonna come out lumpy like this. Honestly, the pickles are good. Could just use a little bit more flavor. This is the point where I was like, oh, more flavor. So I made our Chick-fil-A type sauce. So again, mostly ranch. Then I would say maybe half to a third of that is barbecue sauce. And then maybe a teaspoon or a dab of mustard. Mix that up. And it tasted just like Chick-fil-A sauce. I said, oh, we got this at home for real. Also, my lip thing is when I be cooking for a long time and I ain't drink no water. So while you cooking, please drink water because it's still a kind of physical thing. And when I do the math, the total comes up to $15. I probably could have spent a little bit less. Again, if I got the pickles in the jar instead of the the garlic dill pickles. But yeah, it was good. It was still fairly cheap. I feel like you go to a restaurant and get the appetizer for about $15. But this was just me saying, that is good. Yeah. That tastes kind of like Chick-fil-A sauce. That's real good. I need to stop eating these.